Pulse, powered by Safety First. Pulse is a technology added to your vehicle's existing third brake light that pulses the light 4 times when you apply the brakes according to a proprietary algorithm.
As a mother, I try to do everything I can to keep my family safe. Pulse helps keep my family safer. You can't even tell it's there until you use your brakes, and it makes the brake light pulse 4 times before going solid.
The Pulse safer braking technology is unique in that the pulsing does not repeat upon any subsequent application of the brakes for 5 seconds, so as not to annoy trailing drivers in stop-and-go traffic.
I know it catches my attention when I see other vehicles on the road with Pulse. And I notice trailing drivers keep their distance more when they see your vehicle is equipped with Pulse.
Annually in the United States, there are more than 1.5 million collisions, accounting for approximately 400,000 injuries and over 3,000 fatalities. A driver being distracted, primarily with their phone, is one of the main reasons for these accidents. Auto manufacturers have implemented several new safety features in vehicles, but have overlooked and failed to innovate and effectively mitigate rear-end collisions from distracted trailing drivers. According to the Department of Transportation, 90% of rear-end collisions could be avoided if the trailing vehicle had 1 extra second of warning. The Pulse safer braking technology can help provide that warning.
It's something so simple that can prevent so much. For me, it makes sense to have Pulse safer braking technology installed on every vehicle on the road.
The idea of Pulse is innovative but not new. You've experienced similar concepts on the roadways. From a school bus coming to a stop, a fleet vehicle, or an emergency vehicle. As drivers, we have been conditioned to either stop or slow down when we see these types of lights. And that is one of the reasons the Pulse safer braking technology is so effective. A study conducted by Pulse on a fleet over the course of a year showed a 31.13% reduction in rear-end collisions.
Pulse really does make a difference by helping avoid injuries and saving lives.
Pulse, the safer braking technology, where it's not just about the statistics, it's about people's lives.